Have you ever had a dream that that you could you do you want you could do so you do you could you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
In the beginning, before time, before the very existence of our being, there was one single creature, simply floating through the nothingness. That man was Shaggy from Scooby-Doo.
Hello, I'm Shaggy from Scooby-Doo.
And one day, he sneezed.
Whoops, looks like I have to sneeze. Sneeze. Whoops, I made a universe. Now it's time to lay an egg.
You fool! It is I, Thanos! Your arrogance will be your undoing!
No, you. What evil have I created? I must destroy this universe.
Shaggy, no.
Shaggy, yes.
And so, the universe was once more brought to peace and balance. And that is where this tale ends. Moral of the story: don't sneeze.
Here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys, I am literally in such a good mood today and I'm so excited to be sitting down and filming this video because this morning my palette restocked for the first time since the initial launch. It is sister sold out worldwide, which literally, like, my mind is blown and I am so beyond grateful. Some of the looks that I am seeing from this palette are like mind blowing. The talent is unreal, and that is what brings me to today's new video.
another bag of them chips!
You need to limit the number of times you eat chips.
What?
You are not doing your teeth any favors.
Who do you think you are? You some kind of dentist?
Yes! Open wide. Chips. And make... between the teeth. Now, don't your teeth feel all clean and fresh?
I don't want to be taking no trips on a
magic carpet ride.
Hand me another bag of them chips!
We live in a society where... Oh no, not again. Sorry about that, I have those thoughts a lot after the incident, but like I was saying earlier, we live in a society where people are fake, money is fake, food.
Alright, man, you know what I'm gonna ask you to do? Like, you gotta take one for the team, bro.
Yeah, I like big butts and I cannot lie.
Okay, man, that's just a personal issue I don't want to know about. But are you ready to end the man's career?
Yeah, I haven't seen a bigger butt in my life.
What are you doing?
Shut up, Thanos! We're trying to mess you up!
Okay.
Ready up, homeboy!
Let's go, baby.
Yo, Thanos! I see designer wigs right behind you for sale!
Where? Oh!
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah! And that was my triple collateral on free-for-all.
I know Sonic isn't what he used to be, and he probably never will be. But guess what? He's good again. Isn't that enough? Leave Sonic alone! Seriously, what the frick is you guys' problems? Saying Sonic's a terrible franchise, and saying, oh, forget Sonic, I'm playing Call of Duty. Forget you! Forget you! Call of Duty? I have a little message to Call of Duty. Do you want to know what I think of Call of Duty? Well, I'll tell you what I think of Call of Duty. This is what I think of Call of Duty. This is what I think of Call of Duty! Tell me, go ahead, tell me right now to play Call of Duty. I will not listen to a single word you guys are saying. I mean, seriously, what the frick? And that's not all. People are especially criticizing Sonic 4. You guys are the ones that canceled Sonic 4 Episode 3. What the frick? What was so bad about Sonic 4 Episode 1, Episode 2? I know they weren't as good as the classics. The classics were my first games, for crying out loud. I played the classics 10 years ago on Sonic Mega Collection. Alright, when I was 5 years old. And those games were stellar titles. Sonic 3 Knuckles is the best Sonic game. But guess what? That doesn't mean the newer games are bad. The newer games are still good, idiots. Seriously. And Sonic 4, oh, it didn't have good enough physics. Oh, and the music was off. Oh, and the visuals were off. They need to be exactly like the classics. Go away, go away, go away, go away! Leave Sonic alone! Alright, I know Sonic 4 wasn't exactly like the classics, but they were going down the classic route. Alright, they were trying to appeal